In today's video, I want to talk to you about a skincare brand I have used for 11 years called Jeune Premium Skincare. Good day, I'm Marina, a beauty therapist and health coach coming to you from Pretoria, South Africa. For those of you who are very familiar with the French language, you may want to pronounce the name as Jeunesse. I have been told by the owner of this brand, Anastine Mercedes, it is pronounced Jeune. Either way is fine as long as you know this is the South African brand and not the network marketing. In all effects, I have taken on the role as a brand ambassador, however, not in the sense of an MLM. I am thus in the business of direct sales, so when you purchase any of our Jeune Premium Skincare products, you buy it directly from me, and there is absolutely no need to recruit others. This is strictly direct sales. You may purchase it online or at my cozy beauty salon here in Pretoria. My new website will be up and running soon. The formulations are written here in South Africa by a qualified formulator at an accredited laboratory. We rely on the ingredients we import from Spain and Sweden. We understand that South Africans don't like a greasy feel or an oily texture to skincare. As a matter of fact, we really understand what the South African market needs and enjoys using. For instance, we have designed the formula of Day Defense with 3 moisturizers, 2 that penetrates deep and immediately into the skin, and 1 that remains topical to keep your skin comfortable all day long. I want to really emphasize that Jeune Premium Skincare do not add actives that gives instant results and then causes your skin to plateau, meaning that you end up with either drier skin than before or that the skin does not continue to improve. Instead, you will experience that you achieve optimum results in 90 days, but your skin will never plateau. In other words, the more you use Jeune, the more your skin will improve, even if you increase applications from once a day to several times a day. And that's exactly what you should expect from a top quality skincare product. No fashion, trends, or fads will alter our formulations. We look at the physiology, the inner working of your skin, and we make a skincare product for the aging skin in the African climate based on that. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I have a very interesting series of short videos coming up on anti-aging in Africa, lifestyle changes, how to slow down aging, what to eat, and the single biggest mistake people make in their skincare routine. See you in the next video.